soul stunner, proudly representing Tamaoyang Plasticinian Band!
Ngunit tumiti at saya naman po ang aming hatid. Maaari ho ba kung makinig ng isang masigabong palakpak? Salamat po. Dito sa ating mundong ginagalawan kailanman ay hindi ho naging pamantayan sa kung gaano kami kapangit o kung gaano ka man kaganda. Hindi ka man ho nag-iiyak sa iyong pisikal na karayuan. Huwag kang mabahala, aking kaibigan. Dahil ang tunay na timbangan ng Diyos ay kung gaano kabusila kang iyong puso at kalinis ang iyong konsensya. Ating natin ang panalangin ng ilan dahil bukas makangalawa, gagamitin natin itong sandata upang harapin ang hamon ng buhay. What a glamorous and a spectacular evening to each and every one. A girl here before you is a fresh and indeed innocent 8 years old stunner, hailing all the way from the land of Biga Festival, Barangay 4 in Tigaan, City of Legazpi, Miranda, Sabay. This is Patricia Guerra, na nag-iiwan ho ng Kasiliano, Katotohanan. Nasa umukli ho nilang mga balat, magagandang mukha na pinagpepesa ng grupo ng mga kalakihan. Ngayong gabi, sama-sama po natin baguhin ang pamantay ng kagandahan. Ganda ng ilan, sexy ng karamihan, pamapakan, pamantayan, at minsan pa nga po'y hihigitan ng taong nasa inyong harapan. Dahil lagi yung natin kakandaan, hindi man ho ako ang pinakamaganda o pinakamatalino kandidata ngayong gabi. Ngunit isa lamang po ang aking masasabi na ako po'y magbibigay saya at hindi sa inyong mga labi. Maraming salamat po.
Wala po ba hiyawan dyan? Wala po ba pagkain dyan? Joke lamang po. It's standing in front of you, it is fresh, it is young, it is the soul standard, proud and humble, dignified to represent Barangay 34 Orsay, Legazpi City, province of Albay. This is Laris Gratulios. Show it. Magagaling sila sa ikin. Ha? Love it. But what kept me strong in this whole journey is my purpose. Good evening everyone, good evening people of Tamaoyang. Standing here in front of you tonight is Stella Wei, 22 years of age, proud and honored to represent my beloved hometown, the home of Banqueros, Barangay 66, Bangor 1, City of Legazpi, Albay. Stella Wei na nagsasabi, kapag ang alas ay clean, puno lang mo yan. Kapag ang alas ay ipon, rimurado iyan. Kapag ang alas ay pula, may isog iyan. Pero kapag ang alas ay brown,
nothing rarer nor more beautiful than a woman being unapologetically herself, comfortable with her perfect imperfection. I live by this as my definition of beauty, as I advocate for body positivity. Let's all remind each other that we have fought hard for our right to exist. So let's celebrate with it. You are perfectly imperfect. Good evening, Barangay Camayan. Standing in front of you is 21 years old stunner, a Bicol University College of Engineering graduate. This is one of your biggest candidates for tonight. This is Jessica Alamil Smith. Proudly represent Botong Legazpi City by saying, it is not your body that will define you for who you are. It is what you look like and what you will do to make this world a better place that will define you for who you are. Good evening and thank you very much.
Joke lamang po, many has been part of our history, but only a few can make history itself. On this spectacle night and on this public display, we transgender and part of the rainbow community, that's history, and that's will forever be our story. Diyos manahin na pangkin mga yan! Or should I say, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, to our honorable panel, ma'am, sir, and to everyone who is here tonight, magandang gabi po. Standing here in front of you is a 19-year-old fresh and innocent girl, hailing all the way from Barangay 8, Washington Drive, Legazpi City. This is your newbie girl, Miss Katakutan La Victoria. And just by that, enjoy the night, and I love you. Jowa kita, bukas, nasa Viva Max na tayo! Kung ang babae ay tinaguriang topsilog, at kung ang lalaki naman ay tinaguriang tosilog, breast, kami mga super serena, kami ang tinaguriang chicks silog. May chicks ka na, may antelope ka pa! Wala bang suntukan dyan? Ay, wala pa, mamaya pa. Ayan, sabi ni candidate na nauna sa akin, ang mataba, magayon. Ang mas mataba, mas maalsong! Actually, talaga, hindi ko naman talaga kailangan ng pageant na to. Sapagkat ang nanay ko, businesswoman. Ang tatay ko, seaman. Sino ang pinagmamalaki nyo? Si Kapitan! Nilabas nyo! At pasasalamatan ko. Thank you po ka for the love and support. My name is Princess Halalu Kenelu at Vincola Chen Sabasco from the land of the Rolling Stone, Barangay 29, Sabah! Arriba, arriba, taugama. At bago po isanin ang intabladong ito sapagkat pinagpapawisan na ako, mag-iiwan po ako ng 3 joke! Joke, joke, joke! Ayan na. Bago ko po lisanin ng 4 na sulok ng intabladong ito, nais ko po mag-iwan ng isang katotohanan. Ito ay ang A, E, I, O, U ng buhay ko. Ako ay ako, ako ay ako, baklang hindi perfecto, pero nire-respeto. Ewan ko lang kung magustuhan nyo ang isang tulad ko. Ibigin nyo ako tulad ng pag-ibig nyo sa mga asawa nyo. Oohan nyo ang gandang itinutulot ko. Uuwi po ako! Yes! Uuwi po ako! Mas masasabang. Hirap niya kan. Diba? Manalo! Papaunin ko ang palakpakan nyo! And thank you!
Yes.
Okay. We have three first set of awards to be awarded tonight. So without further ado, our Miss Congeniality.
Okay, to present the award, we will call in Mr. Dennis Magalona and Miss Cheng Azul. Okay, our first award is Miss Congeniality.
Okay, our Miss Congeniality is candidate number.
Sino? Who will be Miss Congeniality? And our Miss Congeniality is candidate number
8.
Congratulations, Miss Congeniality candidate number 8.
Okay, our next award is our Miss Photogenic. So this Miss Photogenic is all about the reactions on the Tamayan chapter official Facebook page.
Ayan yung mga nag-react. Okay, to award our Miss Congeniality is Honorable Sylvia Del Agua, the Barangay Captain of Tamayan, and Kagawad Bullet Premier.
Okay, our Miss Photogenic is candidate number.
Sino? Miss Photogenic! Sino? Ano?
Our Miss Photogenic is candidate number. It's candidate number 7.
Candidate number 7 is our Miss Photogenic. Sila ay siya po ang may pinakamaraming
Heart reaction.
heart reaction.
Automation 1.9 heart reactions.
Wow.
Official Facebook page of Tamayan chapter.
Yes. Okay, once again, congratulations, candidate number 7, Miss Photogenic.
Okay, to complete our first set of awards is our Darling of the Crowd.
Okay, our presenter for the big darling of the crowd is Kagawad Ray Apuri.
Our Darling of the Crowd goes to candidate number.
Darling of the crowd, may pinakamaraming fans! Sino kaya ang may pinakamaraming supporter? Darling of the crowd is
It's you. Candidate number 1.
Okay, once again, congratulations to candidate number 1.
Okay, we will be having a photo opportunity for our first set of awards. The rest, you can go now, ladies, at the backstage. Once again, a recap of our first set of awards. Miss Congeniality candidate number 8 is Miss Jacqueline Monto from Barangay Panadero, Legazpi City.
Miss Photogenic is number 7.
It's number 7, Miss Katakutan La Victoria from Barangay Washington Drive, Legazpi City.
And the darling of the crowd is candidate number 1.
Okay.